when you do a search and you copy and paste this video title here, that the search returns this creator's name. Okay, so I'm gonna come here. And you see it's this one here. So that's the first thing. So let's just try this one here. Transcript. Show the transcript. Start from here and scroll down to the whole transcript. Copy the transcript. Enter it. And grab the description. Grab the URL. Grab the publication date. And at the end, you're going to say, click it for review. And forgot to grab the views. Okay. Check off our work. Add the views. Done. That's it.